but don't they swear an oath to uphold the law? And if Ed Martin is doing something, or is asking them to do something that is corrupt, illegal, unconstitutional, politically motivated, then don't they have an obligation to refuse to do it? And so it's not like their only avenue here is just to resign. They can just say no, and then if he wants to fire them, fine, they can join a class action lawsuit for wrongful termination. But don't they have an obligation to uphold their oath and not just blindly follow the orders that were handed down by Ed Martin?
Yes, and I don't want to sort of, split hairs here, but when let's assume you're ordered to do something that you know is unethical and unlawful, and as a prosecutor you say, I refuse. Generally speaking, the next move is, and this is just kind of the culture of government service, I refuse. And if you continue to insist that I do it, I offer my resignation. Why would people do that rather than saying, I refuse and I'm going to sit right here until you fire me, and then I'm going to spend the next couple of years in court battling in a lawsuit over the wrongful termination? That is a difficult decision for people to make. And totally. I wouldn't just casually or cavalierly say, you know what? Just stand your ground. You know you're going to get fired instead of resigning. So just spend the next couple of years in court trying to win your back pay back and trying to, perhaps be reinstated to government, all the while your reputation may be tarnished by those who really don't understand what's going on in your situation. These are very difficult decisions for people who have been with the Department of Justice for a long time, people who have families they are supporting. They would probably rather resign, I don't want to speak for them, and go to a law firm or go to some other government position in a state government than have to suffer the consequences of being wrongfully terminated.